Hello students, today we are going to learn about RDBMS, Relational Database Management System. This is the second part of database concept. In last video we learned about database management system and database. So in this video we are going to learn about Relational Database Management System. A relational database is a type of database management system especially designed for creating and managing the relational databases. Relational model was proposed by E.F. Codd to model data in the form of relations or tables. So we can understand here that RDBMS is based on tables. That means everything we store is in the form of rows and columns. Now let us know some different types of RDBMS. So one of the most commonly used RDBMS is Oracle. The other one is MySQL. The third one is Microsoft SQL Server, which we are going to use in our practical classes. Now let us understand data and database. A data is raw facts and figures. That means a data is any kind of information present in different formats. For example, images, numbers or words. All this information is data only, but when kept together and stored in systematic way, then it becomes informational data. Whereas a database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. In other words, a database simply holds data. That means it's like a container where interrelated data are stored. Data are one of the most important elements. So a data is processed to form an information by the users. So for example, we have a database of customer and employee. So we need some attributes in order to store the information about the employee and the customer. So that attributes are customer ID, employee ID, first name of the customer, similarly first name of the employee and so on. So the raw data are processed to form an information and that information is used for future reference. All the employees and customer details are stored in a computer system for data processing, and whenever the information is required, it is easily accessible. Now let's see how a relational database management system looks like. So you can see a tabular representation where some data are stored. So from here we can know that in a relational database model, the database is logically organized as a group of related tables. Each table can have multiple rows and columns. A table is a collection of records and represents a database entity. Each row in a table represents a record. A table's row is also known as tuple and the column, which is known as attributes. The intersection between rows and columns is called data field. A data field is a place where the actual data are stored. A row is uniquely identified with a key known as primary key. I will be coming with more information related to keys like primary key, foreign key, candidate key in next video. Thank you.